Terra Classic in the past months have been having series of updates, and all these updates we have been seeing Binance supporting these updates, and Kucoin also supporting this update, Crypto.com supporting this update. Now, for me, I think some of these updates have actually helped Terra Classic and then to stand, because by now, based on the last month and last 2 months, I believe Terra Classic would have been trading right now with a market cap of below $50 million, okay? Because Luna would have lost a lot, because that period was a period Terra Classic was losing over hundreds of millions of dollars within weeks. I mean, when Terra Classic market cap was trading about $1.2 billion, we saw in 48 hours, Luna lost about $644 million instantly. People just pulled out, okay? So that was when Terra Classic started coming up with different ideas, different updates. That maybe within the next 2 weeks, Terra Classic is going to lose almost everything. But we are happy because Terra Classic is still there. Because after losing such amount of market cap, I mean, right now they are still having over 500 million. It means whatever plan they did, they actually paid for them. But right now, Terra Classic are also planning on different projects that can help to push the market cap back to over $1 billion market cap. But they are expecting between now till January or February next year, 2024, the Terra Classic should have been trading with a market cap of over $2 billion market cap. And with $2 billion market cap, Luna is expected to rise over 200%. Okay, yes, between 200 to 300% increase in price. And though we have been getting series of different news about Terra Classic, and so one of them is about Wells planning to invest huge amount of money into Terra Classic. But if that happens, of course, we'll be happy for Terra Classic LLC. So now the major thing I'm happy about Terra Classic is for the fact that we just need to delete 1 or 2 zeros for us to make huge a profit with Terra Classic. Not just those that invested on Terra Classic. Actually, I was not part of Terra Classic. Sorry for that, please. That's my phone. I was not part of Terra Classic community as of when Luna was trading at $119. Okay, I was not part of Terra Classic community, but I decided to join Luna. I started to buy Luna coins, even started creating videos about Terra Classic, supporting the dream of Terra Classic. That was about last year, okay, towards the end of last year. So why I decided to join and buy and purchase Terra Classic was because after though despite Terra Classic crashing, and I was like, okay, this coin have really crashed right now, and now the coin is trading with about 4 or 5 zeros. I think that was 3 zeros when I actually joined Terra Classic, but right now Terra Classic is trading with about 4 zeros. But I knew that in the nearest future, I foresee Terra Classic heading towards 1 cent. And I also was asked questions why Binance founder CZ himself was so passionate. Okay, he was so passionate about Terra Classic. And some crypto experts also, and some crypto investors, billionaires, they are also concerned about Terra Classic. So, and people really talked about Terra Classic. I want to research and look at the project, look at the program, look at the plans they have for Terra Classic. Despite what happened, I decided to wait to see if this coin is really going somewhere. And after 3 months of researching about Terra Classic, I have to conclude that I'm going to buy this coin. And then I decided to buy and purchase Terra Classic coin on Binance. Yes, I bought Terra Classic using Binance, and I believe that my decision to invest on Terra Classic definitely is going to pay off. My decision to invest and buy LUNC coin in the nearest future is going to return huge amount of profit. So right now, as it stands, if Terra Classic rises or delete 1 or 2 zeros, definitely I'll be making huge profit for myself. Yes. Now the same thing goes for those that invested earlier before the crash. It's advisable for you to also buy some few coins, so you can also make good profit for yourself instead of recovering few amount of your capital. So that was the major reason that pushed me to join Terra Classic, and I'm happy to be part of Terra Classic's community. I'm happy to have Terra Classic coins, and I'm happy that even Binance are also there supporting this coin. I will keep on supporting Terra Classic. This is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.